back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Someone's cleaning. Bye, Dalat. Leaving Dalat. See you later. Let's go back to Hoi An. So hi guys, I'm here now in Hoi An. So finally after 14 hours of traveling, or maybe less, 13 to 14, I'm here na in Hoi An. So I'm currently waiting for my Grab. So if you book a bus ticket, there's a free shuttle bus, or they called it minibus, to bring you to the town. So ayun lang, dyan! Taking Grab, going to the hostel. The other side of Hoi An, whenever you do biking. Biking in the city. Bike tour! Taas ng bike nila, ma'am. Yay! Welcome to the Anbang Beach. So yeah, wow. Anbang Beach. Yeah, so it's windy and that's it. No swimming for today. That's the Nang right there. This area. So brunch. Oh, this is Rose's Cafe. Good. I have bike. Ja. Welcome to Mison, the World Cultural Heritage.
Years ago, we never had anything. Forget about the lights or crane or whatever. We still have the concept of,
We are now inside the meditation house. The meditation house features a large room. At the back of the house,
This one's huge. much more colorful at night. 7 a.m. to 21. The night market. Night market. This is in the river of Hoi An. Good morning, Hoi An. So it's not a busy day today because it's morning, but later tonight it'll be very busy again. It's a good show for a day trip from Danang. Up until night. Ayun. For your breakfast. Good morning, Hoi An. Hoi An during the morning. Not so busy. So this street, you can custom your dress, your suit. A lot here. Box in Hoi An. So this is where I got my shuttle bus going to the Danang railway station. And this is the place. All you have to do is walk around and you'll see this. And then they're inside. So guys, you will see there's a lot of custom tailor, and then you will see this. And then inside the Hoi An Travel to have your shuttle bus ticket going to Hoi An, Danang, and the Danang railway station and the international airport. So yan lang dyan. So hi guys, good morning from Hoi An again, and yeah, today is just like half day is roaming around the old town during daytime and seeing the spa, buying my ticket, going to Danang railway station so I can go to Yue. And then yeah, this is the view, by the way. They also have like lantern making class. This is in one of the alley. Oops. Oh, this one's nice. Found this while walking. So many people inside. Old Town. Banh mi queen. They have vegetarian. The vegetarian banh mi. That's with tofu and vegetables. Finally found this. It's actually tucked in an alley. So you have to get inside. I'm here for the smoothie. I miss smoothie though, so yeah. So I'm having this passion fruit smoothie with yogurt and milk. So good. So I have a new friend. So banana chocolate crepe and Hoi An Old Town. crab the Vietnam way. So hi guys, I'm still here in Hoi An. So now I'm having my banana crab chocolate, and yeah, this is I think the fourth food that I tried today. So from the banh mi queen, the smoothie, the passion fruit, and the next one. Oh, this is the fourth one. So yeah, today is like a food tour here. So most of them like they recommended it to me. So going up to the Marble Mountain, guys.
You can see dragon over there, but Vietnamese dragon.
Ooh. The factory.
With the flight for tourism, because they build the biggest Lady Buddha statue with 67 meter height. If anyone want to see biggest statue, then somebody should come.
The view from the top. Another stairs. Huge Lady Buddha. This was built 2004 up until 2009. So this one is still new. Kind of vibe at night in Hoi An. It's this kind of setup back in Ho Chi Minh. Dinner. Riverside Hoi An Dolphins Hostel Cafe and Bar. Breakfast again. Bango na ito. Ang sarap. Bye, Hoi An. Off to Ghana. Another day, another adventure. So I'm here in Da Nang right now. So I went to the train station to get my ticket. That's for 210, the train heritage tour. Around 2:50, so I'll be back maybe around 2 p.m. and I'll be strolling Da Nang. So let's see what we can find here. And I'm off to the Dragon Bridge. So, ayun lang. Ja! This is in Danang, guys. Not so much traffic here in Danang. And the roads are much wider. Finally, guys, after 30 minutes of walking, I'm here in the Golden Bridge of Danang. The roads are wide. Hi! A lot of koi fish. Found a cozy cafe near the Dragon Bridge. So chill vibe. The name is Cha Cafe, I think. Ooh. It's a vegetarian bunny. Good. This is Cha Cafe and Gelato. I had my banh mi and carrot orange juice here. It's a good food. It's right in front of the Golden Bridge, the Dragon Bridge, guys. Nice. It has a nice, ambience. And this is the Danang Cathedral. I think it's almost the same with the one in Ho Chi Minh, the Twin, but I wasn't able to see it. Speak with the Vietnam Bank in the background. So this is just near the Dragon Bridge. We'll just walk around 10 minutes. But so many people.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Ja! Mata ne!